How to remove Microsoft account from your Windows account just in some seconds on your PC or on your laptop. To remove your Microsoft account, what you have to do is open the setting of your Windows profile and go on your Windows account. So in my account setting, there is a lot of option, but I will scroll down to the bottom and here is an option to edit your profile information. Now this is, you can see that's it, that is my Microsoft account. I can simply click on the logout section and from there I can log out to my account and then again log in from a new account. This is my Microsoft. Click on your information here, scroll down and you can see I have email address and there is an option to close your Microsoft account. To close your account, you have to click on it and your account will be closed successfully. You can make any changes to your Microsoft from this second itself. Thank you so much for watching the video.